so it's the next day. I had to give up yesterday afternoon. It was getting dark and you couldn't even see anything that I was filming, so I decided to start again. Today we are, I guess, halfway done, I hope, putting this makeup back away in my drawers here. I'm gonna move on to lip products now. So I have lip liners in here and lip glosses and lipsticks in here. And I think I'm going to put all my glosses in one of these little white containers. And then for lip liners, before in my other house I had them in this little organizer. This is from IKEA and it fits also pretty perfectly in the IKEA Alex drawers. So I think I'm going to do this again and put lip liners, eyeliners, mascara, and that's probably all I'm going to be able to fit into this one. So that is what I'm working on now. So I'm finished with this drawer. This time I used to have my lip liners in one of these little compartments, but this time I separated them into high-end and drugstore back here because I feel like a lot of times I'm searching through these things to try to find one that I'm looking for, and I feel like if I have them separated, that will kind of help. And then I have eyeliners right here, brow products right here. I have more brow products, but they're in my everyday makeup bag over there, so that's why they're not in here. And then I have mascaras, drugstore and high-end. I do not need to buy one more mascara until I use up all of these because all these are open. So I've got some major work to do in terms of mascara. But here is this drawer. These are really nice. I think these are actually supposed to be for silverware, for like your kitchen. But they work really well for pencils, smaller makeup items in particular. So I did get these at IKEA. Now we will move on and let's see. I believe the next, so the next two drawers are going to be eyeshadow palettes. This is when it gets very interesting. Okay. So, because I had two drawers for them before, and I'm guessing I'm probably going to do the same thing now. Oh, and these are all lip glosses and lip balms in here. So, I'm going to put these maybe in this drawer for now. I might end up moving them though. Okay, let's move on to palettes. So I have palettes in here. Oh, these are lip products. I have to find something to do with. There are some of my palettes, and here's some palettes, and here are some palettes. Some of these are face palettes too. And there's a few more over here. Okay. I have these little acrylic things here. These I got at TJ Maxx, I think, but they fit a lot of my smaller palettes, just so they're not like flying all around in the drawer. I like to have them kind of down in something, but some of these palettes are too big to do that with, so I'm gonna rearrange these, I think, and see what I can do with either this drawer and this drawer or this drawer and this drawer. I'm not sure yet. So that's what I'm working on right now. I just saw a palette I forgot about that I gotta find a place to put. So I just got this palette from Urban Decay. I was waiting for them to have a sale because I wanted this palette so bad when it came out and I never got it. And I've almost gotten it a few times, but I just really wanted to get it on a sale, and Urban Decay was doing Friends and Family. So I finally got this, and I definitely want to use this in a video sometime soon. So I have that palette too, but here is the drawer. I have my ColourPop palettes here, Natasha Denona, Anastasia. Also have two Anastasias up there in that little sparkly container. My Bloom palette, Huda Beauty, and my Charlotte Tilbury palettes right here. And then back here are my face palettes, and then I have random palettes back here. Tiny little palettes, my Hourglass Ghost palette from last year. Oh, this is the Whitney Simmons Tarte collab palette. I have that in here. I still have space back there. I'm not sure if I'm going to put anything back there just yet. And then down here, these are palettes that don't really fit anywhere. So I have this Juvia's. Is this Juvia's Place? Yeah, Juvia's Place. I haven't used this yet. It's the Magic Mini palette. I kind of want to use that in a video. I have the Kittenish Glow palette. This is Jessie James Decker's face palette with Alexa Persico, I think is how you say it. It's a Jaded palette from ColourPop, Bare Necessities, my Anastasia, the most recent, what do you call it? What is it? The Norvina. Okay, the ABH Norvina is down here because it doesn't really fit anywhere. Then I have the Physicians Formula Casey Holmes collab back there. And then these are all my baby palettes. So my e.l.f. bite-size palettes, my Charlotte Tilbury quads, have a little Fenty palette, Bare Minerals palette, this little Charlotte Tilbury Naked Basics 2, these I Love palettes from Sephora, and then I have two of the Natasha Denona mini palettes down here too. So for now, I'm just gonna stick my honey palette in there, and that is it for palettes for right now. So now I have this drawer. I have the lip glosses back there, but I still have this whole box of random stuff. I think this is lip products, cream eyeshadows, looks like a cream blush is in here. So this is just kind of random. And then my lipsticks are in here too. I have these little acrylic things for my lipsticks. This is what I used before. So I'm probably going to use these again and see what I can fit in here. I just don't know how much I'm going to be able to fit in this drawer. Somehow my makeup is not fitting as easily in here as it did before. And I know I had all this stuff in here somehow, but I feel like my makeup has accumulated since I've moved. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to work on these now. Okay, I think my camera is about to overheat, or is overheated, about to turn off. So this is what I have so far. I have the lip glosses and balms back there, and I have most of my lipsticks right here. I have all my Charlotte Tilbury on the top, drugstore down here, and then these are just kind of random ones. And then in here I have all of my cream shadows. So I have a bunch. I have Maybelline Color Stripes. These are mini Laura Mercier Caviar sticks, some Bobbi Brown sticks. Then I have some Wet n Wild cream bronzer and blush, some cream shadows from Charlotte Tilbury, a MAC paint pot, and some other stuff. So this is what this drawer is looking like. I still have some space right here, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I think I'm making progress. So I think I'm making some progress. I have my setting sprays left, and I guess maybe try to keep them in here, but I have too many. Maybe I'll get another one of these. I never have a good solution for storing setting sprays, so I still have these left, but these do fit in here. So I guess this will just sit out on my desk up here. That's pretty much it for the makeup, other than my brushes, and I'm not going to organize those yet because I need to go through and wash them all before I do that, because I still have this whole thing of brushes. I do have this one left. This is just random stuff. It's things I have backups of, things I still want to try out. I just kind of keep them all in this little container. Yeah, so I think I'm going to put the miscellaneous stuff back here behind those palettes, since I don't really need to get to those that often. And then I'll put those back right there. So now I have these setting sprays. I have this little container. I'm not sure what to do with it. There's not really room in a drawer for it either. And then these are two bronzers I don't know what to do with because they're just kind of oddly shaped and they don't fit in my little bronzer compartment. So I guess I may put them in this drawer, like right here in the front for now, just to get them put away. And then I have this drawer with my sunscreens, headbands, a brush, and all my powders. And then there's my brushes, and Cosmo wants to help. That's it. The only other thing are these little mini single shadows. I never know what to do with those either. But other than these things, that's it. I need a place for these makeup sponges too, but they need to be washed. So I'm gonna put these in there for now. And next, I'm gonna tackle this. I have these boxes propped here because I had my phone sitting here earlier because I was trying to film a video for Instagram and I couldn't figure out how to prop it up and get the right angle, so this was the best I could do. So that's why that's there, but I need to go through and put this stuff away, figure out what I'm gonna keep in here, and then what I'm gonna put in here. Because this is what was sitting on my everyday makeup vanity at my other house. That's gonna be another video because this one's already gonna be really long. So we'll give one more overview here. This is my table. I still need to put a few things away, but here we have bronzer and blush, concealers and correctors, foundation. This drawer's not that full either, so technically that means I have lots more room to try new ones, right? Right. And here I have more foundation, primer, and highlighters. And then down here I have powders, sunscreen, and just random stuff. Over on the side. And then in here I have lip liners, mascara, eyebrow products, and eyeliners. Oh, this drawer is empty. Okay, so something's gonna go in there. I don't know what. Here we have lip products, cream shadows, and those two bronzers I don't know what to do with, some random liquid shadows, and some cream products. And then we have palettes, miscellaneous back there, and more palettes. So that's what I have so far. I'm definitely not done in here at all. I have tons more stuff to put away, but at least I have all the makeup off the floor for the most part. Hopefully this video was not boring. If it was, I'm sorry, but I love to watch these kinds of videos, so I figured this would be kind of a fun series for me to do here on my channel. And next I'll probably do my everyday makeup over there, and then I'll probably do a room tour once it's all done. Maybe how I'm decorating the rest of the room too, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm excited now that I have the move behind me and I can get back to my videos 2 times a week on Wednesdays and Fridays. I'll see you guys next time. Remember, simply be you. Bye.